Saya ingin mengucapkan selamat berjaya kepada Yang Berbahagia Datuk Profesor Faizal Rafiq di atas syarahan umum pelantikan profesor yang akan disampaikan. Saya yakin syarahan ini akan mendapat sambutan baik dan menjadi perangsang kepada seluruh warga USM.
Seorang yang humble dan very fokus, walaupun umurnya nak dikirakan lebih muda daripada saya, dan telah menunjukkan kematangan dalam banyak tindakan untuk memimpin universiti.
He put this tagline to motivate the staff, the students, everyone here in USM, which he says, "We will nail it." So whenever I see this in a signboard, I feel like really want to put some encouragement, some efforts to move forward.
Datuk ni bila dia turun padang ni, dia betul-betul yang kata apa, tidak menganggap dia ni sebagai seorang pegawai tertinggi universiti lah. Kalau kata kita tak kenal Datuk Rafiq ni, kita tak tahu dia ialah Naib Chancellor USM.
Beliau merupakan seorang pemimpin yang humble, yang looking forward, bekerja kuat dan juga seorang yang people person.
I feel that I'm so proud to have a VC to lead us, to lead USM. One thing that always stressed in my mind and always instilled in my heart is two words: we lead.
Jadi setiap pagi jumpa dia, selamat pagi Datuk. Dia akan bagi tahu dah sarapan ke belum. Jadi dia begitu simple man lah, nak berkomunikasi dengan dia cukup senang.
Yang saya amat kagum, beliau seorang yang rajin membaca. Boleh dikatakan setiap minggu ataupun setiap bulan ada sahaja buku baru yang dibelinya. Kita pun menjadi semangat untuk turut serta.
We are always very proud of him, not just for me, not just his achievement in his career. For me, the one that I'm proud lagi adalah the way he worked for it. Because now he is carrying the VC USM post. So it's the same like the Arsenal team lah. Now is the Mikel Arteta is doing the coach and manager. Whatever happened to that team, they will blame the coach or the manager, or even success, they will puji lah the coach and the manager. So it's the same with the USM lah. So I hope that USM will fly high, doing well in all areas, and also hope Arsenal win some trophies lah this year.
I think I speak on behalf of me and Sarah when I say this, is that we've always wanted to make you proud. And the thing about being a child, I guess a lot of people can relate, is that you can't really say that you've actually done enough for your parents, you know. So yeah, and even though when they say, you did good, you succeeded, blah, 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 some of it, yeah, at the back of our heads, me and Sarah, we've always felt like we could always do more. We could always make you prouder than you were yesterday. Yeah, I mean there's the pressure of that, but that's on us. You know, it's not your fault. You know, we're the ones who want to make you happy. I hope you enjoy this video, and good luck with your speech. I love you. I'll see you soon.
I always want to make sure that he's proud of me and I become someone he can boast about, and that he's always happy, and that I always contribute to him in this world and the world hereafter. He works very hard. He works at night, he works on weekends, he works on weekdays. Like, I'm the type of person who works for 10 hours and then I'll sleep for 12 hours and then I'll watch K-dramas for the next 4 hours. But he works constantly and he makes sure that the output of his work is very sharp and precise. I really do think that he is the most deserving of the places that he's been and the places he is now, and to give the speech that he's giving or has given today. And so I just wanted to say congratulations to Abah, and also thank you for being a great, awesome dad.
Karakter yang saya sangat-sangat kagumi dengan abang saya, dia sangat-sangat bermatlamat tinggi, bercita-cita tinggi, dan dia akan berusaha sedaya upaya untuk mencapai cita-cita yang ingin dicapai tu. Itulah yang saya sangat kagumi dengan abang saya. Okey, akhir sekali saya ingin ucapkan tahniah dan selamat maju jaya dalam apa saja yang ingin abang capai. Assalamualaikum.
Dia seorang yang tegas, firm dalam buat keputusan pasal adik-beradik, pasal mak ayah semua. Tapi at the same time dia seorang yang kelakar juga. Boleh dibawa berbincang dengan anak-anak buah pun semua memang sayang dengan dia. Tapi put aside itu, sebagai abang sulung dia seorang yang bertanggungjawab. Dan sekarang pun lepas adik-adik dah besar, semua dah berumah tangga, dia masih lagi menjalankan tanggungjawab dia sebagai seorang abang sulung, sebagai anak sulung. Dan dia banyak memberi sokongan dari segi moral, dari segi bagi nasihat, keuangan.
Anak melangkah semua panggil dia Pakcik. Dengan cerita dah pernah cakap Penang dah. Okay, anyway, all the best. Tahniah.
Dan semoga maju jaya dengan USM.
Masa dia buat master dekat Universiti Malaya, kawan-kawan dia yang grad sekali, ada yang kerja dengan oil and gas, ada kerja dengan telco. Sekali naik gaji sampai RM300, RM300.5. Dia kat UM naik gaji semasa tu RM70 kan. Tapi sedikit pun tak ada rasa sesalan, salah pilih kerjaya apa. Saya tanya dia, kenapa abang tak join oil and gas ke telco masa waktu tu. Dia cakap satu je, impian dia kerja ni nak tolong bangsa sendiri, nak sebalik mara yang dah tanggung dia belajar selama ni.
But I think all of you know there are probably two Rafiqs. There's one Rafiq who's very studious, hardworking, quite serious at times, and I think that was the first Rafiq that I met. I recall visiting at the University of Malaya and first coming across Rafiq and being impressed, thinking he's a very serious young scientist. And then of course I got to know the second Rafiq, the one with the twinkly eyes, the slightly mischievous one, the one with the energy. That's the leader one. And yeah, I just it's something I have to say that I'm incredibly proud that Rafiq was my student, and I now count him as a colleague and a friend. We've published together, we've had many ideas together. He's been an exemplary host when I've been in Malaysia, and he's always a pleasure.
Yeah. So Professor Rafiq is a man that have very skill, from a good researcher, a brilliant scientist, and also a good administrator. I'm very sure he being a vice chancellor is a very big plus point for University of Malaya, because he going to bring a lot of changes that I think they're going to transform USM to a world-class university, and I think will be the premier university in this country. So Professor Rafiq is a person that you want to watch.
Saya amat yakin dan mempunyai keyakinan yang amat tinggi beliau akan berjaya menjadi seorang penyelidik yang terkemuka di dalam bidang optik. Rafiq is a humble person, a visionary leader, and a good friend. Sepanjang hidup saya belum pernah lagi berjumpa dengan seorang leader yang sanggup mengaku kesalahan beliau secara terbuka.
Saya rasa Prof. Rafiq merupakan sahabat yang sangat setia, jujur dan ikhlas dalam memberikan sebarang pendapat, pandangan, dan juga apabila sama-sama dalam aktiviti berkumpulan dan sebagainya, beliau sangat menunjukkan kematangan yang lebih daripada kami rakan-rakan yang seusia dengan beliau.
Mula-mula masa dia form 1 tu, he's very quiet. Very quiet. But one thing, he is very determined. Kalau dia nak apa-apa, dia nak buat, dia buat juga. Dia panggil lah kawan-kawan dia untuk buat juga sampai dapat. And then he got a good result. He pursue his studies in RSM Taipei. There, bakatnya mula menonjol sebagai seorang pemimpin. Dia rajin giving ideas and then promote the friends to help him with the idea. So that's how I know him. A very determined person, and when he did something, he will follow through until finish.
Congratulations, Abba. We love you, Abba.
Congratulations.
Congratulations, Datuk.
Tahniah, Datuk.